Greetings, seawolves. My name is Shekinah, and this is the event preview where we keep you up to date on all things Scholars Academy. Here's what's happening from February 8th to February 14th. Monday, February 9th, there will be a reading intervention program from 2:45 to 3:45 p.m. There will be Black History Month performance rehearsals from 3:35 to 4:35 p.m. From 7 to 8 p.m., there will be a virtual Zoom meeting for Model UN parents. On Tuesday, February 10th, there will be a grade 8 trip to the Queen's Theater. Black History Month rehearsals will take place from 3:35 to 4:35 p.m. High School Drama Club will have rehearsals from 3:35 to 4:35. There will be a principal's report from 6 to 6:30 p.m. and then a Parent Association general meeting from 6:30 to 7 p.m. Wednesday, February 11th, grade 6 through 8th will be having a cumulative ELA assessment. From 2:50 to 4:50 p.m., there will be band rehearsal for involved members. Black History Month performance rehearsals will take place from 3:35 to 4:35 along with step practice at the Mosaic. The High School Drama Club will have rehearsals from 3:35 to 4:35 for our upcoming play, Urinetown. The Neurology Club will have a meeting in the club room from 3:35 to 4:35. All are welcome to attend. On Thursday, February 12th, once again, grades 6 through 8 will have their cumulative ELA assessment. Black History Month performance rehearsals will take place from 3:35 to 4:35 p.m. Medical Club will be meeting in the library from 3:35 to 4:35 p.m. The High School Drama Club will have rehearsals from 3:35 to 4:35. And from 5 p.m. to 7:30 p.m., we'll be having our High School Winter Wonderland Dance. Be sure to buy your $5 tickets from now. Space is limited. Friday, February 13th will be a student government dress down day. Be sure to abide by all dress code guidelines. From 9:05 to 10:05 a.m., there will be a school safety meeting. High school dance residency practice will take place from 12:15 to 1:15 p.m. in the theater for involved members. And finally, the High School Drama Club will have rehearsals from 12:15 to 2:45 p.m. And that is it for the event preview this week. Do not forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel at TheScholarsNYC. I'm Shekinah, and I'll see you guys next time.